Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like this video and hit that red subscribe button, as it really does help out the channel and your support would be greatly appreciated. But with that being said, let's jump right into today's content. Just before I begin, just want to give you guys a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research before investing into cryptocurrencies. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $962.5 billion, down 1.8%. Meanwhile, BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 38%. Looking at the overall markets, you guys can see, we are not seeing a lot of excitement within the markets right now, and that is to be expected. One thing to note right now is that we are, in a weekend right now, so tomorrow could be very crucial. Around the weekends, we do tend to see a lot of manipulation within the market, so that's something that we do need to keep in mind. But overall, if we are looking at the markets, nothing too crazy going on right now. But today, I want to talk about one project that has been really killing it lately in this bear market. And this project I have been covering on my channel literally since its absolute launch, a few years back. And it is making finally some sort of buzz around the space, and I do believe this coin is going to shake the cryptocurrency space in the upcoming bull cycle, as well as the year of 2023. And that project is none other than Rsr Price, known as Rsr. So looking at Rsr's price right now, it is currently right below that 1 penny mark. It's up 5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, as well as in BTC. It's up 5.7%, and Ethereum comparative 6.2% in the last 24 hours. Rsr's current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at that top 93 spot. That's something definitely nice to see, that it's back into that top 100 spot. Market cap right now is $414.5 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is sitting at $183.8 million. So now if we are zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, you guys can see, it speaks for itself. Last 30 days, 58.4%, but look at the last 14-day gains, 84% gain. And let's not forget, guess what we're in? We're in a bear market. But now, before we jump into the price and see what exactly is going on, I just wanted to share a very interesting tweet with you guys. All credit goes to this friend of ours called Moonshot Josh, who has posted this. So it says, for those that caught the XRP under 1 penny before it ran to $3.50, I suggest you give Rsr the same look, as it has already been working with massive product. Almost 1 million real-world users solving a real-world problem, with full South America and Mexico launch, and our tokens coming. So as you guys can see, this ecosystem has been growing. Ecosystem features financial inclusion, asset accessibility, capital efficiency, decentralized stable coin. Supported countries, as you guys can see, some of them are listed right here. Most are from that South American. And strategic partners, Coinbase is one of them, and some of the other ones that I cannot see. I believe this is Fidelity if I'm not mistaken, but you guys can see milestones. Rsr app handles approximately 150 million USD monthly. Rsr is active in 5 sovereign countries. And lastly, Rsr mainnet is finalized for 99%. And now if we are jumping into the price, you guys can see over the last 1 year, we did see Rsr hit an all-time high of 11.9 cents. So you could just round it up and say, we did see Rsr hit 12 cents in the previous bull cycle. And if we do bring out the, measuring tool for you guys, that would basically mean that Rsr is still about 11x away from its all-time high. 11x. And one thing that I really want to point out for you guys is that, when it hit all-time highs here, there was no way that Rsr even was where it is now, October 2nd, where the project itself, the company itself is at right now. It was nowhere near that. Imagine what's going to happen in the next bull cycle. We are going to see some massive gains being made with this project, and I'm a true believer on this project, and I do personally hold this as well. Quite transparent with you guys on that, and I've been on this project since the absolute day one. You are welcome to go back. One of my I think second videos on this channel was regarding RSR, and this project is finally picking up steam, and I really do believe, for all the developments that they have been doing over the past 4 years now, it is going to really show in this upcoming bull cycle, and as well as in the next coming year. So this is the daily time frame right now. Not much we can see. So I will zoom in and show you guys the daily time frame in like a zoomer aspect. So as you guys can see, not much has been happening right now. This level right here, if I can show you guys at that 0.00979 cents mark, as you guys can see, has been a very, very crucial level of resistance for RSR to break. We did try to break out of here once, and we saw a major wick all the way up to that resistance mark, which is at that 0.01416 mark, which we have not seen breaking past that since April of 20th of this year. So it's been quite some time. We did see RSR back on June 7th try to retest that, but major rejection, did not go above that. But since then, this level of resistance at this, where it's currently trading at right now, has been playing as a major level of resistance. We tried to break out of here after that once, twice. This is the third time, and I do believe this third time around is going to be very, very different. And RSR is really going to show, the cryptocurrency investors and people that a lot of people are sleeping on this project right now. But I do strongly believe that in the next year of 2023, this project is going to be talked about everywhere. Because let me tell you one thing, this project has a real working product already. Not only that, it's backed by some of the biggest names in the financial industry. One of them to name is Peter Thiel, which is a PayPal, one of the PayPal founders, and he is an investor in RSR. So I really do believe that this coming year is going to be a very, very bullish year for RSR, and I do believe this specific month, we are going to see RSR pull insane gains. And to be realistic, I do see it going back to this 2.2 cents mark, and which is last time we were at was back on April 2nd. And if I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, that is still a move of about 127%. Is that a possibility? Definitely is a possibility right now for RSR. And if you were picking up some RSR right here at the 0.0034 cents mark just on May 10th, guys, just give yourself a pat on the back. Give yourself a pat on the back. It's a famous saying. If you really do believe in the project, you want to, dollar cost average in, as long as you have done your due diligence and research. If you have done that, dollar cost averaging in is your best friend when it comes to investing in stocks, cryptocurrencies, you name it. Dollar cost averaging will be your best friend. So if you were picking up some RSR around here, you are already up 200%. Now you may be coming and saying, Crypto ZX, that's nothing. 200% is absolutely nothing. Guys, 200% bear market. And if we're looking at the overall cryptocurrency markets, not only that, the financial markets, overall global economy, considering all those aspects into consideration, 200% from those lows is very, very impressive. But right now, what I want RSR to do is try to retest this 1.5 cents mark. Is that a possibility? Definitely is, but I will keep you guys posted. BTC, on the other hand, another day, still hanging around below this resistance mark at that 22K price point, which I do need BTC to take over once again. And then I will see, BTC really being on the safer end once we're above that. But right now, danger zone, very, very dangerous zone. If we do break below the 78.6 support line, we do see BTC going to retest that 17.7k mark. If we break that this time around, 15k is definitely on the table, and that was obviously have an impact on the overall markets. But let me know if you guys are enjoying these RSR videos, and if you guys want me to cover RSR on a daily basis from now on. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and